education of Krishna Public Senior Secondary School. Now today's topic is punctuation marks. In previous video we already read the punctuation mark part first and this is part second. Part second. Punctuation marks are used to make meaning clear. With the help of punctuation marks, the reader can easily understand the theme of sentence. Wrong punctuation change the meaning of sentence, change the meaning of expression. When we write sentence, we use many signs like comma, full stop, inverted comma and exclamation mark. Here are some important punctuation marks. First is full stop, second comma, third inverted commas, fourth is mark of interrogation, fifth is sign of exclamation and sixth is apostrophe. Now first is full stop. The sign of full stop is this. Comma, the sign of comma is this. Inverted commas, mark of interrogation, it means question mark sign. Sign of exclamation, apostrophe, this is apostrophe. Now our first topic is full stop. Full stop. Full stop. First is assertive, optative, and imperative. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence and with a full stop. With a full stop. Full stop is used in assertive, optative and imperative sentence and with a full stop. This sentence and with a full stop. Now example. I like football. I like football and in the sentence of full stop. We use full stop at the end of the sentence. Now second example is please take your seat. Take your seat. Last we use full stop in the last. Now second topic is punctuations. Punctuations are used to make the meaning clear. And wrong punctuations change the meaning of expression. So we use punctuation marks. Second is comma. Comma. Second topic is of full stop is after the initials name of signature. Initials of name signatures. The first topic is assertive, optative and imperative sentence and with a full stop. For example, I like football. Second is please take your seat. And second rule of the full stop is after the initials of name signature. Example, name signature. In name signature we use full stop. Example, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. In short, we write here M full stop, M.K. Gandhi. Second is Rabindranath Tagore. In short form, Rabindranath Tagore is R. N. Tagore. So, after the initials of name signature, we use full stop. In name signature, we use full stop. Example, M.K. Gandhi, it means Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. And second example is R. N. Tagore, it means Rabindranath Tagore. Now, third topic is after the between the abbreviation between the letters of abbreviations. Full stop is used in between the letters of abbreviations. Example, abbreviations are like BA, MA, MCom, MSc, MP, UP. These are abbreviations. So, example, BA, Bachelor of Arts. In abbreviation, we use full stop in between the letters. MA or MP, UP. These are abbreviations, and we use full stop in the between of letters. Now, second topic is comma. Comma. This is the sign of comma. A comma means a short stop. A comma means a short stop. It is come in the middle of the sentence. A comma means a short stop. Short stop. And the comma is comes in the middle of the sentence. A comma, yeah, it comes in the middle of sentence. Middle of a sentence. A comma means a short stop, and it comes in the middle of a sentence. Example, she liked to play football, comma, ludo and chess. So, comma is used in the middle of the sentence. Example, she likes to play football, comma, ludo and chess. Now, second topic of this is the first topic, and second topic is when same word is repeated, same word is repeated, then we use comma between then. repeated come and come. So we use comma between the two words in repeated words. Come, come here my dear son. Now third topic is inverted comma. Inverted commas. Inverted comma. Sign of inverted commas are. Inverted commas are, first topic is in the beginning. In the beginning and of reported speech. Reported speech of direct narration. Of direct narration. Inverted commas are used in the beginning and end of the reported speech of direct narration. Now example of direct narration is Shanti said to me. Shanti said to me. Now we use comma and inverted comma start. You are good player. You are good player. And then full stop and close the inverted comma. Now inverted commas are used in the beginning and end of the reported speech of direct narrations. Example, Shanti said to me. Now we use here comma, comma and inverted comma start. You are a good player. You are a good player. Then close the sentence. We use full stop and close the inverted comma. Now our fourth topic is mark of interrogation. Is mark of interrogation. Mark of interrogation. Sign of interrogation is this. Mark of interrogation is used. Mark of interrogation. Mark of interrogation is always used after the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. The other type of interrogative sentence is question sentence. Now, mark of interrogation is always used after the interrogative sentence. It means question sentence. We use mark of interrogation is after the question sentence. Now, example. Where do you live? Where do you live? This is a question. So we use here question mark at the end of a interrogative sentence in question sentence. The first letter is always like capital. Second example is, what is your name? What is your name. We use here interrogation mark, and first letter is a capital, and this is a question, sentence of question, so we use here interrogation mark. The fifth number is sign of exclamation. Sign of exclamation. Sign of exclamation. Sign of exclamation is always used after the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Sign of exclamation. Sign of exclamation is always used after the exclamatory sentence. In exclamatory sentence, sudden feelings and emotions are in the exclamatory sentence. Now example, alas, sentence or word. Sentence or word. Alas, then I write here exclamatory mark. Alas, she is dead. Alas, she is dead. Second example is hooray. We won the match. We won the match. Third example is how beautiful. How beautiful the flower is. How beautiful the flower is. Now, these sentences express our sudden feelings and expressions. Alas, she is dead. This sentence show the sorrow. Hooray, we won the match. This sentence show the joy of expression. How beautiful the flower is. This is surprise. Okay. Now, fifth topic is sixth topic is apostrophe. It is the last topic of punctuation marks. These are some important punctuation marks. So, sixth is apostrophe. Apostrophe. The sign of apostrophe is this. Apostrophe is used. Apostrophe is used to possessive case of noun. Possessive case of noun. Apostrophe is used to possessive case of noun. It means this show the possession of the noun. Example, this is Priya's this is Priya's book. It means this sentence show the possession of Priya because the book of this Priya. Second sentence is the fan is Ram's fan या Ravi's book. It means these sentences show the possession of Ram's and Ravi's. Now second topic of this, it is also used to make short form of some words. It is apostrophe is used to make the short form of some words. Example, do not. The short form is do not is don't. We use apostrophe in the word, middle of the word. Now second is cannot. The short form of cannot is can't. We use apostrophe. Okay. Now third is I have. The short form of I have is I. Fourth is will not. The short form of will not is want. Here are many short forms. So we use apostrophe in the short form. Now our topic is complete. Punctuation marks. This is the second part of the punctuation marks, and we did also the first part of the punctuation marks in previous video. Now, if you have any doubts, please tell me in comment section. I will solve your doubts in my next video. And if you like my video, please like and share and subscribe. Give it thumbs up. Now, thank you very much. Have a nice day.